How to edit a web page or change text in a browser. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So I will give you one example. I'm just typing Google founder and then I have this page. Now in order to change the text, right click on it and then go to inspect. And this source code will appear over here. Now scroll down and then find the text that you want to change. You can also extend it for better view. So simply find and then search for, if you want to change this Sergi Brin to any other name, go to find this and then hit enter and then you will find it. After finding, all you have to do is change the name. Now you can change like anything and here you go. After saving it, you will be able to change the text. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.